To social science class, and it is economics for you. Okay, so we already started the discussion of the first chapter, development, right? Yes or no? Started or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I asked some simple questions for you people related with the concept of development. Concept of a development. Some of you give me the answers, but at the same time, others are not that much interested or they don't know the answer, it seems. Okay. Anyway, these things are so simple. You're able to understand these things there. So nothing complicated. Nothing complicated. So made some words are new for you people. The concepts are new for you people. Let it be okay. I will discuss that. Okay, we have again doubts are there, you can ask me, definitely I will explain it. So don't go to don't leave the class with a doubt. Okay, so just to understand the things in a proper way there. The students, those who are cameras are turned off, please turn on the cameras. Please turn on the cameras. Last and final information. Okay, please turn on your cameras, or else please leave the class. Already told you. Okay, I am not going to give attendance for you people there. Mind it. If your cameras are off. Okay, so the chapter development basically discussing about the concept of development, and at the same time, the last class I asked you people, what is your notion of development? Okay, what do you want to do to achieve development, or what is your idea of development, and what do you want basically accepting, okay, or expecting from the not accepting, expecting from the society. Okay, tell me. I ask the same question for number of people there. Some of you give the answers also. Clear or not? What do you want to do
What
to
citizens want,
what, Ashik?
what the needs of the citizens,
Hello?
the needs of the citizens.
The needs of the citizen. What do you need actually? So for different people, different needs are there, right? Different aspirations are there. Different development goals are there. Okay. So each and every individual, okay, those who attending this class, I already told you that you people are coming from different political, social, and economical circumstances. Clear? Right or not? So your aspirations are different, your development goals are different, clear or not, and your ideas of development that also different, clear. So a person, I already told you that a person those who don't have a leg, okay, might he will think about a world where he is able to, yeah, Arifa. Okay, no problem. You can rejoin again. So the person, they will think about it to think about a world where he is able to walk and run. Clear or not? Right or not? Clear. So a person those who own a car might think about an airplane, right? Right or not? Aeroplane. So on an aeroplane, right? Okay, a person those who own an airplane might thinking about a trip to moon or a trip to Mars or something like that. So different development goals are there for different people. So Vishnu, we thinking about a trip to Mars, I think. So Vishnu, are you interested in that? Huh? No, not interested. Okay. So a single way trip it is. Okay, you can go there, but there is no guarantee to come taking you back to Earth. Okay, there is no guarantee. Okay, so maybe your parents are might interested in that. I think so. Vishnu, just ask your parents. Vishnu, can you hear me? Hello, Vishnu. Hello. Ashik says that he's interested to go to Mars, it seems. Okay, let it be, whatever it is. So, we discussed about the basics of the chapter there. Now I'm taking you to the textbook directly. So just open your textbook. So here it is, your textbook, chapter 1, development. Chapter 1, development. Just okay, open that textbook. So here you can see development notes for the teacher. Anyway, I read it and I understood that. Okay. So anyway, you people no need to read it, right? Okay. So if your time is there, means you can read it later. Anyway, we are going to the first page of the chapter. It is chapter 1, development. So there are number of caricatures or number of pictures are there that indicating different meanings. Okay. So you can see clear. The worker, those who those who pulling a cart, right or not? So basically indicating that he is the person those who carrying all the burden of the family, basically, right or not? Okay. right or not? The proletariat, the working class people, they're basically doing work for everyone. Okay, clear? Uh, and in that picture, you can see that the different families are doing different types of activities, and their developmental goals are different. Clear or not? Their ideas of developments are different. Clear? And different people, they are doing works in different sectors here. Clear? The people, those who doing work in the primary sector, people doing working in the secondary or doing work in the tertiary sector, their salaries are different, their incomes are different. Okay, so they will think about achieve development, achieve a development. They have to make a change. They want a change in their lifestyle. Okay, a progressive change. Aditya S. Krishna, what is going on? Aditya.
I asked my mother to take the textbook, sir.
Aha, that's it. There is no textbook with you. Fine. And Vishnu, we also don't have the same thing with you. I think so. Vishnu, we have a textbook with you? Is there? Okay. Yeah, yeah, fine. Thank you. Okay, let it be. So that's it. Clear? So we wanted to understand the different aspirations or different development goals of the people. Okay, it is different for different people. Again and again, I'm repeating that. Okay, the developmental goal of one individual is different than the other. Okay, a development goal of a girl is different than a boy at the same age, right? Yes or no? If you're asking to Nirubama, will say that. What's your development goal, Nirubama? Nirubama, developmental goal. What you are expecting from the society? What you are expecting from your parents? Okay,
Everyone should have equal.
I'm not asking about everyone. I'm asking about you. Okay, Nirubama as an individual. I'm asking about the Nirubama. Okay, tell me, Nirubama, what is your development goal? What you are expecting to do in this society?
Need to get what I want.
You that's what are the things you want actually? That's what the aspirations. Tell me. Tell me first.
Need to go where I like.
Okay, she want to travel around the world. Is that? Huh? Yes. Okay, her aspiration is to travel around the world, it seems. Is that correct or not? Huh? Or myself, I manipulated that. Nirubama, where is she? Nirubama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, tell me first. Only that. Is that your aspiration?
Yeah.
Again,
Till
anything else? Pardon?
now only that is there.
Now only that aspiration is there. Okay. If I'm asking to Nisia, tell me Nisia, what's your aspiration then?
Good education,
Pardon?
good food and good education.
To get a good education. Okay. Are you thinking that the education that you are receiving now is not good?
Yes, it is good.
Yes, it is. Okay. Anything else? Any other aspirations are there for you? No.
No,
No. Comparing with your brother, are you ever any time you thought about that your brother is enjoying something better than you? I mean, better freedom.
yes,
Yes. Okay. So you like to enjoy the life like the boss does there
yes, I like change.
sometime. Okay. That's what I'm coming to that point there. Okay. Everyone definitely will think about something that we are unable to enjoy. Right or not? Everyone will do that. Everyone will do think about that we are unable to enjoy there. Okay. So Vishnupriya, tell me Vishnupriya. Boys, wait. First of all, we'll ask two girls there. Always the girls first, right? Okay, ladies first. So we'll ask two girls. Then later I will come to you people. So I am Vishnupriya. Tell me, Vishnupriya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. What are your
Nothing in
aspirations?
particular.
Nothing particularly. No aspirations are there. I born and I'm living. Oh God. Okay, you are great. Okay, that's it. That's it. Vishnupriya's aspiration. Okay. God always showering all the blessings to her. Okay, let the same thing will repeat for hundreds of years. Okay, Vishnupriya, no more aspirations, right?
Yeah.
She's a
Currently, no,
sannyasi.
sir.
He's a monk. Okay, monks are like that. There is no aspiration. Nothing want. Okay, so what is here? We are happy with that. Okay, so Vishnupriya. Okay, I got your answer. Okay, Rifa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Rifa.
Yes, sir. Like, uh,
to be happy. That's it.
Be happy. Last time I asked the same question, the same answer repeating.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
To be happy.
Yes. To be happy. Okay. Aditya.
We, sir.
Aditya. No. Sorry, Mr. Aditya Nair. Aditya S. Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
To study what I like.
Study what you like. Tell me what you like to study.
Art.
Me first. First. Then
Dance.
astronomy, astrology, then
Dance.
dance. Yeah, that's what her aspiration. Dance. Okay, she have to dance. Rose Sebi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me please.
To be a
Adil Muhammad, Afsana, Haydi Rasa, Pratyush, Nas Praveen, Sainaba, Surya, Haya Abid, Fia Harris. Your cameras are off. Meghana Pradeep. Okay, come on, fast. My question is to Rose Sebi. Come on, Rose Sebi.
To get a good character.
Pardon?
To get a good character.
To get a good character. Okay. So anybody is able to provide that too? Huh? Okay, Nas Praveen. Okay, fine. So that is up to you people. You have to create it, right? Rosebi?
Yes, sir.
Connection trouble, I think so. Okay, anyway, guys. Okay, I will ask you later. Now we don't have much time with us to ask and discuss. Okay, so we are going to the chapter directly. So just understand, different people have different aspirations or developmental goals. Goals there. So we are discussing that in this chapter. Basically, the idea of development or progress has always been with us. Okay, everyone, every day they are thinking about progress, development, right? Each and every individual, they are thinking about only one thing: development. We want to achieve something. We want to develop. What we are enjoying today is not enough for us. We want to do something more. We want to get something more. That's what development. Okay. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Right. Okay. So today, the people, those who who have money with them, they are dreaming about the different things that they are able to purchase from a shopping mall, right? Yes or no? If you have money with you people, right or not? The people, those who don't have money or only some money with them, they will think about a full square meal for them for that particular day. You know what it means? Full square meal? Full square meal? Okay, what is that? A meal for a day, right? Okay, so full square meal means that is basically using by the people. I mean, the people those who are traveling in oceans. Okay, mariners, they will use that time there. Full square meal because the meal is serving square plates there. Square plates. Okay, let it be. That we will discuss later. So they will think about the food that they want for that particular day. Okay, those who don't have much money with them. Okay, so okay, next one, Mukesh Ambani. He gifted one jet plane for his wife on her birthday, right? You have read that news anywhere?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
he gifted that what a jet plane for his wife's birthday. Okay, because he's able to dream about that. The economical stability is with him, money is there with him, so we cannot do that, right? We cannot dream such kind of things there. In future you can do also. Similarly, we have ideas about what the country should be like. Yes or no? Yes or no? So everyone thinking about to lead a good life in a good country, right? That's what almost all the
Yes, sir.
Malayalis, basically Keralites, they are always thinking about migrating to European countries, moving to European countries. Clear? Why? Want to lead a good life in a country like that, it seems. They are always, okay, you are observed that the people, those who are working in abroad, always they will compare our country with the country where they are working, right? Ever heard about such kind of things? Ever
Yes,
heard about
sir.
that? Most of your parents might be working in abroad, right? So they will compare. They will compare. What is that comparison? What is that comparison? Can anyone tell me? They will compare about the transport system. They will compare about the.
Things.
Pardon, Ashik?
Relative things.
Pardon? No, I not got that connection.
Relative things.
Oh, okay. No, not clear. Okay, not clear. So Okay, let me discuss that. Okay, they will think they compare about the roads, they compare about the vehicles. Okay, they compare about the education system, they compare about the goods that are available in that country, right or not? Like that, various comparisons are there, right? So we also want to lead a good life in a country where the country achieved economical development, where good schools are there, where good roads are there, clear or not? Or where all the amenities are available freely, clear? So everyone is thinking about that, want to lead a good life in a country that is economically developed. Okay. Next one, what are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? So underline all these questions. We are going to answer these questions in this chapter. What are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there is more equality? Clear? So first question, what is that? What are the essential things that we require? Can anyone tell me what are the essential things that what we require?
Shelter,
Good,
clothes,
good,
income,
good.
food,
Okay, the basic necessities of life, basically three are there: food, shelter, and clothing. What is that? What are they? Food, shelter, clothing. All right. Okay, all other things are supplementary products. Okay, related with the food, shelter, and clothing. Food, shelter, and clothing. Even education. All right, right. The part of the basic amenity or basic necessity for an individual. Education. Okay, so write on food, shelter, clothing, and education. Life, can life be better for all? What is your answer? Can life is better for all?
no, sir.
Not at all. Very good, Savio. Not at all. In a country like India, not only in India, wherever it is, okay, life it is not that much good or that much better for everyone. Okay, each and every individual facing lots of problems. Okay, if economically benefited, also some other problem will be there. Clear or not? So remember, we are able to lead a good life in a country where the country is economically developed, but its environment is totally polluted. Okay, either good there, the life is good there, not at all, right? Not at all, right? Okay, so just think about that. So the answer is negative. It is not better for everyone. How should people live together? Next question for you: how should people live together? So we know that a human being is a social animal, right or not? We want to cooperate to each other. Then only we are able to exist in the society. Without the cooperation, it is not possible to exist in the society, right? Yes or no? Is anybody in this class is able to stay alone in this world without the help of any others?
Sir,
Not at all, right? Not at all. The food, I mean, the grain that, what we can say, cultivated by a farmer and processed by a particular mill owner, right or not? Cooked by your mother, right? Right? Like that, various people we need in our life. The people, those who working in different sectors. So just understand that. Next one, can there be more equality? Are we able to create more equality in the society? Can we do something?
sir,
Create equality? Yes, of course. We are able to do something to create equality in the society. Okay. So government. Here we means not an individual. The government it is. The government. Clear or not? So governments can do something to create equality. So what do you mean equality? All are leading almost same standard of life. Same standard of life, right? All are able to enjoy almost same things in the society. Clear or not? Almost the same. Cannot say exactly the same, but almost the same. So government can do something to achieve this economic equality. Again, repeating, number of cameras are off for Adidev, Haya, Anne Mary, Afsana. Okay. If you are not ready to turn on your camera, you can quit. No problem. You can leave the class. Okay. So no need to stay in the class with your cameras off. So listen carefully. Development involves thinking about these questions. So write down. I mean, please note on that. Development involves thinking about these questions. What are these questions? what are the essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? How should people live together? Can there be more equality? Okay, so all these questions is basically related with the idea of development. Okay, clear? The development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work towards achieving these goals. Okay, so we want to achieve these goals, so we have to work for that. We have to work for that to achieve the development. You will learn more about these issues in greater depth in higher classes. Let it be. Also, you will find answers to many questions. So many of these questions, not just in economics, but also in your course of history and political science. Also, we are able to answer these questions. Clear or not? Basically related with economical development, economical equality, such kind of things we will discuss about in economics related with the social development or existence of a good society. That all we will discuss in political science. Okay, we can desire for change without being aware of this. Okay, so in the same way, it is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can be achieved in a real life. So here they use the term democratic politics. Democratic politics, a democratically elected government only able to help the people to achieve these goals, these developmental goals. Clear or not? Okay, a monarch. So in history already we studied that. Okay, a monarch, he always standing for the development of his people. I mean his family. Clear or not? Okay, but not for the people, not for the people. So does number of revolutions like the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution against the monarch. So we can come to a conclusion. What is that? Only a democratically elected government is able to support the people to achieve all these development goals. All these development goals. Okay. So a democratically elected government is able to provide equality or create equality in the society, social equality, political equality, and even economic equality. Economic equality. Are you able to understand these things? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes or no? Yeah, Ashik told yes. What about others? What
Yes,
about
sir.
others? The things are okay for you, right? Okay, fine. So we are moving forward to the next page. Okay, here we are. What development promises different people different goals? Okay, so different people different goals, so it is the responsibility of the governments to provide provisions for each and everyone to achieve development. So we know that ration shops are there, PDS shops, public distribution shops are there. Yes or no? Yes or no? If you are observing, so how many of you visited or how many of you went into such kind of shops to purchase things? Ashik, yeah, Ashik told he's going. Then others, Adil, okay, Aman, okay, then Adidev, Hadi Aman, Aditya, okay, everyone know that. Okay, fine, that's good. So if you're going there, you are able to find a different colored ration cards are there. White color card, yellow color card, then blue color card, pink color card, like that. Various different colored cards are there, ration cards are there. Okay, so government providing grains or support for the people in different forms and different ways related with their economical stability. The people, those who holding the white card, considering as the economically rich, so provisions are less. Okay, comparatively lesser than others. Clear or not? Okay, the yellow color card means the Antyodaya cards there, very poor people. So government will provide the things for no cost. Okay, freely. Clear or not? Most of the things they are able to purchase from or they are able to get from the ration shops without any payment. Clear or not? So it is the responsibility of the government related with the economical situation of the people. The government want to support the people. Clear? So let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in table 1.1. So we are going to discuss about table 1.1. Okay, so here let us try to imagine what development or progress is likely to mean to different persons listed in table 1.1. What are their aspirations? What are the aspirations of different people? Okay, you will find that some columns are partially filled. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other category of persons. Okay, so number of columns is already filled, but some columns are empty here, and it is your responsibility to fill it. Okay, so here first one you can see table 1.1. If you're observing, so we are able to understand that what are the development goals of different types of people. So in the caricature, you see once, okay, a rickshaw puller, you want a car. The way our country is set up, all you can hope for is maybe to one day on the rickshaw you pull. Clear? So which shows that the person, those who pull in the rickshaw also not his own. Clear? Clear? It is very difficult to achieve the development, very difficult to own a car, it seems there. All right. Let it be. So just to observe it clearly. Next one, table 1.1 says as category of persons, different types of people, one side. Other side shows that their developmental goals or aspirations. Okay. So landless rural labor. What do you mean landless rural labor? Is the workers in the rural area, there is no land for them. Okay. So just read it. What they will expecting, what they're expecting, what is their developmental goal, what are their developmental goals here. They always expecting more days of work and better wages. Clear? Clear? So what kind of people they are? They are landless rural people, landless rural workers they are. Okay, clear? 1 minute, just read it. Give me 1 minute. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just observe here. So landless rural laborers, what are their aspirations? They want more days of work and they want better wages, good wages. Okay. And local school is able to provide quality education for their children. Okay. So local schools in their locality, it is not able to provide a good education for their children. Okay. Clear? There is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the villages. Okay, that's what their aspirations. Okay, they want more days of work, they want better wages, they want a local schools that is able to provide quality education for their children. Okay, presently no schools are there that is able to provide good education for their kids there, so they want local schools that is able to provide good quality education for their children. Okay, and the next aspiration, there is no social discrimination and they too can become leaders in the villages. Okay, so they have already faced the social discrimination, okay, problem from other communities in the society, so they want avoid such kind of discrimination and they also want to become the leaders in the village, right? That's what their aspiration. So a group of people, landless rural laborers. Next one, prosperous farmers from Punjab. Prosperous, rich farmers from Punjab. What they want, they want assured a high family income through higher support prices for their crops and through hardworking and cheap labors. They should be able to settle their children abroad. That's what their aspiration. What is that? They assured a high family income through their higher support prices for their crops. Okay, so the government want to provide a good price for their crops. They are already rich and they're cultivating in a large area of land. The same time, they want a good support price, a helping price from the government, and through hardworking and cheap labors, they want cheap workers also. They want cheap workers. Workers want more wages, but the owners of the land, they want cheap labor. Cheap labor. Okay, they don't not ready to pay that much. Okay, they should be able to settle their children abroad. Okay, other aspiration, they want to send their children abroad. Okay, and want to make them settle there. Okay, clear or not? So aspirations are different. So here you are able to find, conflicting aspiration. Landless rural laborers want more wages and the prosperous landowners want cheaper workers. Conflicting ideas, fighting ideas here. Okay, so you got two here. Next, farmers who depend only on rain on growing crops. Tell me anyone what they want actually. What is their aspiration? Tell me. Third column, read the third column and tell me the answer first.
Water.
Water.
Good irrigation.
Good irrigation. Then
Water
any other answers are there?
facilities.
Yeah, water facility, fine. Of course. Yeah, Rosebi, tell me Rosebi.
No, sir, by mistake.
By mistake, she rose her hand. Okay, let it be. Okay, others? Any other answers?
Fertilizers.
Fertilizes. Then,
A good land.
yeah, land. Think here. Think here. Again. Okay. Look at the table here. Farmers who depend only on rain for growing crops. Okay. So they have land. They are cultivating. But the problem is related with irrigation. So almost all you people told they need water, right or not? Or they want credit from the government or credit from the banks to purchase pump set or dig bore wells, right? Right? Yes or no? Huh? They want support from the government to dig the bore well and money from the government to purchase this pump set to fetch water from that bore well, right? Yes or no? That should be the aspiration there, all right? And good price for their crops, good price for their crops, fine. Clear. So you got it. You are able to write that answer. Next one, a rural woman from landowning family. A rural woman from landowning family, which means they are rich. Okay. But living in the rural area, in a village. My question for the girls. Tell me, what is your answer? What she will think about? What would be her aspiration? Come on. Bhadra Pramod, any answers are there with you? Read it again and tell me. Bhadra.
Crops.
Huh?
Good crops.
So, rural woman from a land owning family. I mean, they are prosperous, they are rich. Good crops, they are cultivating already. So, related with a female, what she is expecting here? What she is expecting here? This thing and say.
Good education for their
Maybe
child.
good education. Then
A good life.
a good life, right? Okay. So we are doing all these things for achieving a better life, right? Yeah, fine. Ashik. Then. Okay, fine. What Badra told. Okay. She is expecting or her aspiration might freedom, right? Right? To get good education and participating into the family activities. Clear? Like that, various aspirations will be there with her. Next one, urban unemployed youth. Urban unemployed youth. So the person, those living in a city, but there is no job for him. Tell me.
To get a good job.
Okay, then.
To establish economic.
Okay, stability in his income, good job, job security, clear or not? Clear or not? So what are the
Sir.
other things you will think about? Job security, good job, good income. Okay, clear or not? And a good family life. Arjun always gazing at the gate. Are you taking survey there? Counting the number of people
I am
who are
hearing.
going on the road or walking on the road, how many motorcycles went, how many cars passed by. Okay, like that. So Arjun, tell me.
No,
No. Okay. Then what are you doing there? Okay, nothing serious here. So listen carefully. Urban unemployed youth, we discussed that. A boy from rich urban family. A boy from rich urban family. Tell me.
That's freedom.
Huh?
Freedom.
A boy from rich urban family. What will be his aspiration? Hmm?
Freedom.
Freedom. Basically, he will not get the freedom, right or not? Like you people. But number of aspirations will be there to purchase a bike. That may be a super bike. Okay.
We have a luxury life.
Want to lead a luxurious life. Okay. Like that, various things will be there. New gadgets. Yeah. Adi Dev told new gadgets. Okay. That available in the market. Next one, a girl from rich urban family is mentioned here. She get as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she want to do in life. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. Okay, a girl from a rich urban family, all right? Okay, so you think about other categories of people and write the answers there. Okay, next one category also is mentioned. And Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Adivasi from Narmada Valley. Adivasi means a tribal person. Tribal person. Clear or not? From Narmada Valley. Okay, so you are unable to give that answer now because you want to discuss what happened in Narmada Valley. Okay, so we are moving forward. Okay, here you can see, I already told you that. Try to complete the table. You can also add any other category of person. Okay, we discussed. Having filled the table 1.1, let us now examine it. Do all these persons have the same notion of development of progress? Tell me. Tell me.
No.
No, the answer is no. Most likely it is not. Each one of them seeks different things. Okay, each category of people, they want different things. They seek things that are most important for them. They want things that are most important for them. We people also like that only. We want the things that is most important for us. That is that which can fulfill their aspiration or desires. In fact, at times, two persons or groups of persons may seek things which are conflicting. Underline the word conflicting. So it is termed as conflicting ideas of development. Conflicting ideas of development. Okay, so a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also shares in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams. But this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribals. Underline that. Okay, so industrialists, those who running factories, they need more electricity to run their industry, industry. Okay, so they want more dams, more dams. But what will happen? The government constructing more dams to provide electricity for the industries, number of people, basically the Adivasis will face a problem. Their agriculture land and their houses will submerge under the water, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now write the answer for that column here. An Adivasi from Narmada Valley, what he's expecting there. Want to continue his life in that place where he born. Okay, he don't like the displacement. He don't want to move away from his own land where his or her ancestors lived for long years. Clear? That's what the aspiration of an Adivasi from Narmada Valley. So the problem is the industrialists, they want more dams, so the government will construct it. It will create a problem for the people, those living in that area, because after constructing of dam, the catchment area, they will store water. So number of houses, number of agricultural land, it will submerge under the water definitely. Clear? So it will create a problem for the people, those who lived there earlier. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, so this is termed as conflicting aspiration. One group of people want dams, but the other group, they don't want dam. Okay, if the dam is constructed, the people will face problem. One group of people will get benefit, but the other group will get face the problem. So we can say such kind of developmental goals or aspirations are termed as conflicting development goals. What is that? Conflicting development goals. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not?
Yes,
If
sir.
we are doing something, one group will benefit from that, but at the same time, other group will face problems with that. Okay, such time or that time we can say it is a conflicting development goals. Conflicting development goals, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So write a question. What is conflicting development goals? What is conflicting development goals? Or what are conflicting development goals? Prajot Krishna, writing or not?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Okay. What are conflicting development goals? Explain.
Sir, before this, you gave another question.
No.
This is the first
This is the
question
first
till
question
now.
of the day.
Sir, that table we have to write in the notes.
That is another thing that I already told you, right? Okay, you write it and submit that.
Yes, sir.
So remember one thing. Remember one thing. All these things are answers are freely available in the internet sources, right? Yes or no? If you're searching, all these things are available. But first you try yourself, clear or not? Try yourself. Don't go for a shortcut. There's a comment or basically a comment that made by Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler. All right. Nothing but straight roads never create a skillful driver. What is that? Straight roads never make a skillful driver means what is the meaning of that comment? Tell me.
There should be turns.
There should be turns and curves. So you will learn how to drive the car properly. Right or not? With a straight road, there is no much use with the steering, right or not? It will
Yes,
move,
sir.
it will go like anything, right or not? No intervention is necessary, no supervision is necessary. It will move like anything there. So a straight road will never make a perfect driver. So don't go for such kind of shortcuts, clear or not? First of all, you yourself think and write that answer. Okay, again, any confusions are there, any for clarifications, you can use that kind of things there, right? Clear or not? They are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
I know that it is clear, but most of you people will do that thing first. Okay, search in the internet for that answers. Okay, it is available. Okay, fine. We know that. Everyone know that. But I am telling you, it is not the right way. It is not the right way. First, you try. Okay, so you develop yourself. Clear? Clear or not? So another quotation that made by Albert Einstein. Okay, it is nothing but spoon feeding teach the child only the shape of the spoon. What is that? What the spoon feeding will teach? The shape of the
Shape of the
spoon,
spoon.
no other things. Nothing but. Clear. So if you're searching from the internet, you might remember the name of the site, not the content that what you copied from there. Clear. So just to remember, okay, first go for your own ideas. Later you can go for this kind of shortcuts. Okay. So here another caricature here. So two things are quite clear. One, different persons can have different developmental goals. And two, what may be the developmental for one may not be the development for the other. It may even be destructive for the other, right? So two different people, they will think about two different things that they want to lead a good life in the society. Maybe this person traveling in the car will think about to upgrade his car. Upgrade his car. What is upgradation? Purchasing a new model or a new other brand. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. Then think about the lady, those who sitting with her child under a thatched hut. What she will think?
You have a good house.
To have a good house, good food, or something like that. And the person in the car, he asking a question. Those people, they don't want to develop, it seems. They want to develop or not. Okay. So conditions of the people are different. Okay. So different people, different conditions are there. Different economical situations are there. Okay. So we are unable to compare that. Okay. So you want to understand two things here. One, different persons have different developmental goals. And the second one, what may be the development for one may not be the development for the other. Clear or not? Sometimes it will be destructive. In the case of construction of dams, if you are constructing dams, the government is constructing dam, it is helpful for the development of the industries. Okay, because industries will get more electricity, so they are able to produce more, but it will create a problem for whom? The Adivasis or the tribal people, their houses and their agriculture land will submerge under the water. All right, you know what is a dam, right or not? Right or not? Okay, dam, right? So two areas are there, catchment area and the flow area, right? Clear or not? The catchment area, what will happen there at the rainy season? They will
Will be collected.
store water, right? Yeah, the water level will increase in that region, right? So what will happen there if houses are there or agricultural fields are there in that region, in the catchment area,
Yeah.
definitely it will submerge under the water, right? Right? So it will force the people to move from that or their own land to some other area or some other village. Clear? Clear? So developmental goal of one person may not be the developmental goal of the other. Sometimes become destructive. It will become destructive. So today, two works are there for you. What are they? One is fill the table. Okay. The next one, write the answer for the question that what asked. What is that? What is that?
What is conflicting development?
What are the conflicting development goals? Explain. Conflicting development goals. Explain. Okay. Vishnupriya, not much. Only two are there today. Okay. I'm helpless. Almost the time is over. Okay. Or else I can think about some more questions. Okay, guys. Remember this. And I told you a number of things in this class. Basically, we discussed about what do you mean by the developmental goals, what do you mean by aspiration of different people, and we learned that okay, different people, there are different aspirations will be there, different development goal will be there, right or not? Clear? So that is the thing that what we want to understand from this session. Okay, clear? And sometime the developmental goals will create conflict. One person's developmental goal will not be the other person's developmental goal, right or not? Sometimes it will coming as conflicting development goals. In the case of landless farmers, they want more wages. Clear? Okay, they want more wages, but the prosperous farmers or landlords or landowners, they are not ready to pay that much wages. Okay, they want cheap labor. Cheap labor means workers, those who are working for less wages. That is what cheap labor. Cheap labor. Right? Right? Okay, workers, they are ready to work for a less amount or low wages. That is termed as cheap wages. Clear? So, guys, it is time to wind up the session now. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Again, no more class today, right? I mean, for social science, other classes are there, right? Okay,
Yes.
and we will meet in the next class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Remember one thing, if I give a homework, you should submit that. I am keeping a record of that. Number of people are cooperating with homeworks and notes there, but some people are there still today, not received a single response from such people. Many are there like that. Okay, I am recording. Okay, sir, that table we should write in notes. Yes, of course. Okay, Aman Shakir asking a question. Okay, yes, of course, you have to. Okay. Okay, guys, everyone, thank you. We will meet in the next class.
Thank you.